Welcome to the third video in the series on the Alphen Radio Frequency Event Detector from Impedance. In this video, we will be looking at managing sessions, saving and loading data, and reanalyzing saved data using the advanced filtering options. The main toolbar contains two main menus, File and Help. The File menu is used primarily for managing sessions, that is, loading and saving data from data sessions. Selecting the Create Session function allows the user to create and name a new data capturing session. Click Create Session to open the Choose Save Directory dialog, then select the desired location for the session data to be saved. Now type a suitable name for the session in the file name input at the bottom of the dialog. Click Save to create this folder in the chosen directory. The name of the chosen folder will appear in the Session Manager area of the user interface. Once the sensor is connected, data capture will initiate automatically and save all the data to the session folder. The Switch Session function is used to load and view a saved data session. Click Switch Session to open the Load a Session File dialog and navigate to the directory where the session of interest is saved. The Save Current Session function is used to quickly save the data in the session or in the device memory to another session. It is the equivalent to a Save As function. The Recent Sessions option allows the user to quickly locate recent data files for reloading and reanalysis. The Exit function shuts down the Alphen software. The Help drop-down menu consists of Help, which brings you to a PDF version of the user guide, and About, which brings up details of the software version you have installed. The individual sensors or sessions are listed in the session area of the user interface. In this example, two data sessions are displayed. Test Chamber is a data session saved in 2016 that was loaded for viewing purposes. Test is a new session created to save data from the device that is currently connected. Data from Test Chamber is color-coded blue, while data from Test is color-coded red. The bar graph is split into two regions for 2016 and 2017. This is to allow data from each session to be displayed side by side, if data from both exists for the same time period chosen. As can be seen here, only data from Test Chamber exists in 2016 and only data from Test exists in 2017. Hovering the mouse pointer over the arrow on the right-hand side of the label will open an information panel indicating that data from the session can be removed from view by left-clicking. This may be useful if you want to declutter the screen to view one dataset in more detail. Right-clicking on a session label will open a menu with a list of functions for advanced data analysis. Reconnect Disconnect Sensor. Use this function to connect to and disconnect from sensors as required. Reconnect is necessary if the Ethernet connection was physically disconnected from the sensor, and also necessary when the software has been relaunched. Clicking the Configure menu will open the Data Analysis and Configuration dialog when the sensor is connected. This allows the user to configure frequency limits, refresh rate, signal base threshold, noise filter length, capture RF on events, maximum event length, and minimum event amplitude. Reanalyze event data. This function is used to reanalyze data that has been saved to a session. The signal base threshold level can be adjusted if the user feels that it contributed to too many erroneous events being detected, or if it caused some real events to be missed in the original run. The noise filter length can also be adjusted to further smooth or average the data. The event categories can also be modified as described in detail in the user guide. The Export Data function is used to select data from a chosen session to export into a .csv format for further analysis in a spreadsheet. Clicking the Export Data option will open the Export Wizard. This wizard displays the data contained in the session, along with markers to indicate the location of events. Two indicators located at the top left and top right hand side of the graph window display the start and stop time of the session. Underneath the graph, a summary of the RF on and ARC events counts is given. To quickly choose the relevant section of data to be exported, left-click and hold on the graph area at the start of the data segment that you want to export. A vertical cursor will appear at the start time position. Drag the cursor to the end of the data segment to be exported and release the mouse left click button. The selected segment will be highlighted. The start and stop time display at the top of the graph will adjust automatically, as will the event count summary at the bottom of the graph. Click OK to choose to save your location. Thanks for watching. Be sure to check out our YouTube channel for more videos or go to impedance.com for more information.